Okay, this is Tony here. In this video I'm going to go through an installation on an Ubuntu Linux of the latest FIDU ChatLab alpha. This is the Linux installation. I have to say the Mac and the Windows one are simpler, but the essential steps are very similar. Okay, I am on the First Data Union FIDU public GitHub repository, and down here on the right hand side I see the releases and the 0.10 ChatLab alpha. Let's open up that page. Here we go. There's some description and some instructions, and here you choose whichever one is going to be the right one for you. Now I am going to pick the 64-bit x86 or the Universal. Let's pick the Universal, which the text suggests might well be the best one to pick in most cases. So let's download that, and we're going to go off and we're going to unzip it and see what's inside. Okay, so I'm just copying this to have the file name at my fingertips, and so I'm now going to unzip from my downloads directory the file whose name I've just copied. Okay, so it has created a just looking at what it has created, it's created FIDU Vault directory, and with a whole lot of stuff in that. Let's go exploring. Let's see what there is here. And here we see a shell script called run FIDU. Well, let's try that. And as I say, on the Windows or the Macs, I think all you do is you unzip and the executables will be there for you to run in the usual way. So let's have a quick go at run FIDU. Okay, that opens up a terminal window and it starts the web server. Again, on the Windows and Mac versions, this will open your browser automatically to the to where you can see the FIDU front page. So instead, here we go to this local web server address. Again, this is because we're doing it in Linux. The Windows and Mac ones are relatively simpler. Okay, here we go. That's the that didn't copy. Control C. Has that actually copied? Yes, that has copied this time. And there we go. It has copied, but it's not copying into my browser bar. There we go. Okay. Vault profiles, an as yet unused feature which we'll be using in future apps. And here we go, the apps and API keys, which we don't have to worry about for now. So we go into the apps tab, and here we find the FIDU ChatLab. We can launch the FIDU